In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Trello to Notion so you can bring your Trello boards into your Notion workspace. By the end, you'll know how to link your accounts and start working with your Trello content in Notion. Open Notion and click Settings from the left sidebar. Select Connections, then choose Browse Connections or See All to view the available integrations. Search for Trello, then select it from the list. Click Connect to begin linking your Trello account. Sign in to your Trello account if prompted, then review the requested permissions and click Allow to authorize the connection. Once the connection is complete, Notion will confirm that your Trello account has been linked. You can now access supported Trello content from within Notion and use the integration wherever it's available in your workspace. Depending on your workflow, you may also be able to embed Trello boards or use connected features with compatible databases and pages. If the connection doesn't work, make sure you're signed in to the correct Trello account, verify that you have permission to access the board you want to use, and reconnect the integration if needed. That's how to connect Trello to Notion. Thanks for watching.